So let us come back and do this 2011-2012 paper. Now, basically, a direct question in this. Let us see what have they given us to write. Explain what is meant by peptide linkage. This peptide linkage question, I think from this particular question paper, it has been repeated. The 7, 8, 9, almost more, I think 5 to 6 years, the same question is being repeated. So I've already done a video on this peptide bond. Go to that video. Once you understand the concept, it's easy for you to write. So I have to write, or what I have to explain, what is peptide linkage. I have to write in words. How should I write? Peptide linkage basically is the linkage formed between the carboxylic group of one amino acid and amino group of another by the elimination of water molecule. I am repeating the same. The video is done already on that. Please watch it. Elimination of water molecule. Yes, and the bond formed between them is called the bond formed between them is called peptide bond or peptide linkage. Peptide bond or peptide linkage. So how should you show this? We very well know amino acid, it contains 4 groups, 1 hydrogen alkyl group. Yes, it contains, suppose if you are writing here alkyl group, not a problem, your amino, because you have to start from the N terminus, and a carboxylic group here. This is going to condense with one more amino group, that is NH2, hydrogen above, R and H. This is your COH. This continues. Now there is elimination of water molecule from here. Yes, so water molecule eliminates, and what do you get when water molecule eliminates? You will be getting a bond exactly like this. This OH has gone, so that means your H from here, let me write clearly, H from here and your OH from here, water. What do you get? You get a bond called C double bond O and NH. This is called peptide bond. So you're going to write like this and name it as peptide linkage. That's it. This is your answer. So elimination of water molecule, this is what we've written, is the linkage formed between carboxylic group acid of one amino acid and amino group of the other amino acid. By the elimination of water molecule, the bond formed is called peptide linkage or peptide bond. That's it. Yeah, done. So let us come back to the next question. They've given me, write the main structural difference between DNA and RNA. So what are you observing? Every time they're trying to give you a structural question. So that is the reason I've given you that tabular column which explains what are the units present in maltose, lactose, sucrose. Please watch that table, practice it more than 10 times so that you'll not lose those 3 marks. So they've given me the main structural difference between DNA and RNA of 4 bases. Right, we have 4 nitrogenous bases, we very well know, and name those which are common to both DNA and RNA. Simple. So they want me to only write structural differences. So first you're going to write, don't go into the functions, transcription, translation, not required. They want you to explain structurally. Most of the students, they start writing all the functions. No, only structural differences. You're going to write in DNA, first important thing, no hydroxyl group in the second carbon, correct? So no hydroxyl means no oxygen in second carbon atom. Now here you find that oxygen. In the previous lesson also I've explained you deoxyribose and ribose structure. Please go through that. And second, when I speak about the base pairs, so structural difference I have shown here, and after 4 bases I have to show. We very well know adenine, what are the base pairs present? Adenine always pairs with thymine, guanine always pairs with cytosine. But here what happened in RNA? In RNA you don't have your thymine, correct? So here only you will write thymine is replaced by uracil. That's it. You are going to write this, because now what do they ask? We name those which are common to both. So what are common to both? Yeah, you can write here as a third point. You can write as a third point, common are adenine. Yes, here also you have adenine. Here you have guanine. Here also you have guanine. Here you have, I said, cytosine, correct? And here what do you have instead of, no, they've asked me only common things. So adenine done, correct? Now instead of guanine done. Cytosine also, correct? Now instead of, now they've asked me common. I'm not writing different ones. You should not write different, because all these they've asked here as common terms. So common base pairs. Don't try to write the which is indifferent. Yes, please note these two questions.